Hey guys, hope you're all doing well. In my case, we are overwhelmed with too many aggressive wasps this year. I think it's due to doing more gardening in the breezeway between the garage and the house. These mean creatures, they are building hives all over my garage and around my back door entry. And often they charge at us and tap on our body to send a stay away warning. They even built a hive inside of my garage door opener a few years ago. I mean, these hives are everywhere in the garage. I did get stung a few times before while trimming bushes, and it feels like someone is sticking super hot glowing needle into your skin. I've used a couple of these wasp trap sticks a few years ago and caught nearly 100 wasps, so I got them again this year. I got mine from Lowe's for 11.28, but looks like Walmart sells them and you can get it within a couple days. And Amazon has it too, but it'll be a longer delivery. And so it comes in two pieces, the inner piece and then this outer guard. And outer guard, you just basically snap it in there. And they give you a couple of straps, but they were too short, so I just put mine. So I'm gonna hang this right in front of the garage door. So here it is. It's just been 3 weeks, and I think already a few dozen wasps are caught. And I can already feel less wasps charging at us when we walk to the garage. However, there's still plenty more wasps still roaming inside the garage, so I'm gonna leave this up there for a while. Last time I left it up there for over 2 years and caught well over 100 wasps. Surprisingly, I've not seen any honeybees get stuck up there, which I'm glad for. I'm not sure if it's the design and color, or it's just that once any wasp gets stuck up there, honeybees do not dare to come close. In any case, hope this helps. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.